Welcome to Applied Intelligence, where intelligence applied, not just learned. In this video, we will understand how a Java program actually works, from source code to final output. What if you could write a program once and run it in any device, anywhere? That's the power of Java. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language designed for portability, security, and reliability. Unlike other languages that run directly on a specific machine, Java programs run on a special environment called Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. So this means your program doesn't depend on the operating system. Instead, it runs on the JVM, making it platform independent. But how does that actually happen? How does Java code turn to something that computer can execute? Let's break it down step by step. Here is the Java execution process. Step 1. Writing the program. We begin by writing a Java program. This is our source code, saved with a .java extension. At this stage, the code is readable by humans, but not yet executable by the machine. Step 2 is the compilation, or javac. Next, the program is passed to the Java compiler, also known as javac. The compiler checks for syntax errors and converts the program into bytecode, stored in a .class file. Step 3 is the error checking decision. At this point, we ask, are there any errors? If yes, we go back, fix the code, and compile again. If no, we proceed to execution. Step 4 is the class loader. The compiled .class file is then handled by the class loader. Its job is to load the bytecode into memory, making it ready for execution inside the Java virtual machine. Step 5 is the bytecode verification. Before execution, the bytecode verifier checks the code. It ensures security, correct structure, and memory safety. This step protects the system from unsafe or malicious code. Step 6 is JVM execution. Now the program enters the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Execution happens in two ways. 1. The interpreter, which runs code line by line. 2. The JIT compiler, which optimizes frequently used code into machine-level instructions. Step 7, program output. Finally, the program executes and produces the desired output. And that's how Java works. Instead of running directly on hardware, Java uses the Java Virtual Machine, allowing the same program to run on different platforms. Again, this is Applied Intelligence. Stay tuned for more tutorials.